Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making coconut shrimp. To begin, we are beating 2 large eggs. Then, in another shallow bowl, add in half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and mix that in until thoroughly combined. In another bowl, add in 1½ cups of coconut flakes, followed by 1 cup of panko bread. Go ahead and mix that in and break up any clumps that the coconut flakes may have. Now we are using 1½ pounds of jumbo shrimp, which have already been peeled, deveined, and the tails left on. Run the shrimp through the breading station. First the eggs, then the flour, and finally the coconut flakes with panko bread, and set them aside. Now, in a skillet over medium-high heat, add enough vegetable oil to fry them in. Fry them for about 2 minutes per side or until golden brown. Do this in batches as to not overcrowd the pan. Once they have been cooked, transfer onto a plate lined with paper towel. Now let's make a shrimp dipping sauce. In a small mixing bowl, add in 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce, followed by 1/4 cup of apricot preserves. Go ahead and mix that in. This sauce is going to take your coconut shrimp to the next level. And I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, coconut shrimp. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.